Why do dogs get skin cysts? You just found a huge lump on your dog and you felt that it was hard or a little bit movable. First you panicked and you thought it was cancer, and I hope you guys went to your veterinarian and found out that it was just a cyst. So why do dogs get these cysts? In this video, I'm going to talk to you about why they get them and how, as a veterinarian, we treat these cysts. I'm even going to tell you a little story of when I was a veterinarian 8 years ago and how I handled these skin cysts and what I've learned about treating them. So hang tight, you're going to learn a lot in this video. I also recently posted a viral video of me popping a skin cyst. And I don't recommend you guys doing this at home because they can get infected. You need a clean blade and a sterile environment if you're going to properly pop a dog skin cyst. But I did find out that you guys are gross because these videos seem to go viral. You love watching me squeeze dog skin cysts so that all of the pus comes out all over the place. I guess it's satisfying, right? So why are dogs getting these satisfying skin cysts? And it's nothing you did. They get these cysts because of sebaceous gland issues, blocked pores that create blackheads, maybe an ingrown hair, or they could have an endocrine disorder like Cushing's disease or hypothyroidism, where they have skin issues and they start to get infections that can cause cysts. So it's nothing you did. Your dog might be getting baths or groomed enough and they're still developing cysts. So there are certain breeds that I see more often with skin cysts, such as Labradors, Shih Tzus, miniature Schnauzers, which I'll talk about in a second, Dobermans, and Butzers. Oh, and Bichons. For some reason, they love to get cysts too. And Poodles. Poodles also. Sorry, I'm going off the top of my head here, but these are the ones that I see on a weekly basis as a veterinarian. And for aspiring veterinarians, Schnauzers, particularly miniature Schnauzers, are known to be prone to developing skin cysts, specifically a condition called Schnauzer-Comedone syndrome. And you may also see this in naked breeds like Chinese Cresteds, where their sebaceous glands get clogged. So how is your veterinarian going to treat your dog's skin cyst? So when I started, when I was 25 years old, my first year as a vet, I tried lancing these cysts and cleaning them out, shaving them, clipping them, and then giving them antibiotics and sending the dogs home, hoping that these cysts would go away and get better. But they filled back up and the owners had to come back in, spend another $200 on me draining it, the appointment, their meds again, and then the skin cyst would fill back up again. I did this on one little Bichon that was so cute, his name was Popcorn, and eventually I told the owner, all right, we're gonna have to put Popcorn under anesthesia and surgically remove this skin cyst. I would open my veterinary books and look at how to remove a little tumor and everything and make my elliptical incision, dissect it out from under the fat, and that's what we had to do to completely get rid of his skin cysts. So there is a giant capsule around the cysts, and if you just lance them, they're gonna fill back up. Bacteria gets trapped in there and hair and everything, and the only treatment is surgically carving them out and removing the cyst. So I learned my lesson. Now I'm 33 years old, I don't want to age myself, but if I see a skin cyst and the dog is really healthy and they can go under anesthesia, we book it for next week and just get that cyst off because they're hot, they're itchy, they're uncomfortable, and they burst open and get blood and pus all over people's houses. We need to get rid of it. So your veterinarian is not trying to make an extra buck by telling you you need surgery to get the cyst off. They're actually trying to save you money so you don't have to keep coming back and getting the cyst drained because it may just fill right back up. So I hope you guys learned something in this video about how your vet is gonna treat your dog's cyst, because you might be frustrated with how many vet bills you've been paying lately, which might also have brought you to this video. All right, guys. Like always, subscribe to my channel. Put a comment below about your dog's skin cysts, how you treat them, how your vet treats them. Do you have any homeopathic ways you're treating your cysts? Hopefully it's safe. Like always, hit the bell to get notifications for when I post new videos and the thumbs up to help my videos circulate. See you guys next week. Yep.